Visio doesn't just show the data, it tells a story. Step by step, it guides the viewer. It can zoom in on what matters, making the key message stand out. Looking at the same data from a different angle, the motion helps make differences clear visually and instantly. A total can unfold over time, revealing patterns that would otherwise stay hidden. Explaining insights from complex data can be tough. Visio breaks the analysis down into clear, visual steps so everyone can follow what it's about. When there's lots of data, it's easy to lose focus. Visio highlights what matters, and with a single click, the presenter can direct the audience's attention. It's not just playback. Visio can be interactive during the presentation. As the discussion evolves, you can highlight what's relevant and keep the meeting on track. And if you like, AI can help too. With one click, it shows what it found interesting, surfacing insights you can build your story on.